So Flickr, as many of you know, is a site that's used to upload and share photos. We have an adaptations project coming up, and we are going to be using Flickr to upload pictures that we take of organisms in our environment, and then we'll just be labeling a couple of the adaptations that those organisms have. So there are many different features on Flickr, but we're going to focus on creating and sharing what are called sets. When you first sign into your Flickr account, you'll come to this page right here, and this is your photo stream. So if you haven't uploaded any photos yet, you're not going to have your own photos here. The first step to uploading your photos and sharing them is to upload your photos. So you'll click on that upload button here, and Flickr will bring up this page. So we are going to choose photos and videos to upload to our photo stream. I have saved my photos to my desktop, so I'll just find them there. Here's one sea anemone photo. And then when you're ready to add a second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth, because we'll actually have 6 photos, then you will find that next photo and upload. Now for this demonstration, I'm only going to be adding 2 photos, but like I said, we will actually have a total of 6 photos. So this is actually labeled seahorse, and in this section here, Flickr allows us to put a title. In the bottom part here, it allows us to put a description. We actually want our names to be the title, and then the description will be the name of the organism. So I'm just going to cut that out, paste it here, and put my name up top, and I'll do the same for the sea anemone. Now, once that's done, you can click this button here in order to upload those photos. And you'll just select Upload to Photo Stream. So, as you can see, these 2 pictures have been added to my photo stream, and I now have a total of 14 pictures in my photo stream. So, in order to get that down to just 6 photos for our set, we are going to click Sets, so that we can create a new set. Now, as you can see, I already have a set here called Amazing Adaptations, which contains 6 photos, but I want to create a new set. So I'll click this button here, and Flickr takes us to this page, which is going to allow us to create a whole new set. So first thing I want to do is to name my set. So we'll name this Adaptations. And now we need some kind of a photo that's going to represent our entire set. So I'm going to choose to put a photo of myself, and you can really put any picture that you want here. So that creates the first item in my set. Now I want to add my seahorse, so I'm just going to drag that. I want my sea anemone picture. Let's go ahead and add the fly, passion flower, and our succulent. So I now have 6 photos in my set. I have my cover photo, and then I have my 5 organisms that I'm going to use to label their adaptations. So once my set is complete, I can click Save, and here we go. I have a set. So let's go back to our sets here. And we can now open our new set. And as you can see, we just have the 6 photos that we just uploaded to the set. So the next thing I'm going to want to do is add a note. This is my cover photo, so I don't want to add any notes here. I know all the adaptations that I have. We want to label adaptations of other organisms. So here we go. As you can see, I have my name here, my description, seahorse here, and now I just want to add a note for an adaptation. So these 3 little dotted lines here are going to allow you to add notes to your picture. So you'll just click on this, go to Add Note, and you can actually drag this box anywhere you want. So I want to focus on this adaptation here, my seahorse's tail. So in that section, you'll just type, let's see, a seahorse's tail allows it to hold on to grasses so it does not float away. Let's correct that, and you'll just hit save. So once that's saved, as long as your clicker is not over in the area of that note, you won't see it. So if I drag it over here, now I can see the note. If I drag it away, now I don't. You're going to actually continue to do this for all of your photos, and you'll be labeling up to 5 adaptations for each photo. So if you need to add a new note, you'll just go back here, and by the time you're done, you'll have multiple boxes on here, and when I run my cursor over it, I'll be able to find where that annotation is, and I'll be able to put my clicker on it and see that annotation. So that's it for uploading to Flickr and sharing annotations. Next week I'll have another screencast and we'll learn how we actually upload this to a group so that way I can look at and grade your projects.